A ruling this week from the Montana Supreme Court means that the group Montanans for Nonpartisan Courts will be able to start signature gathering on its proposed constitutional amendment, CI 132. And on Thursday morning, supporters of the measure gathered here on the Walking Mall in downtown Helena to officially kick off the effort.
This is a major victory for all of Montana.
In attendance were 3 former Montana Supreme Court justices, backing the proposal that would prevent adding party labels to judicial elections.
They should be able to decide cases irrespective of party affiliation. People shouldn't expect a judge is going to decide a case one way or another because of a political party affiliation. It just introduces the whole idea of partisanship into the judicial branch.
During recent legislative sessions, Republican lawmakers have proposed allowing partisan elections for judges, saying the current system hides information from voters. Former Chief Justice Mike McGrath, who was a Democratic elected official before joining the court, says he served with justices from both parties, but believes all were able to put those leanings aside and rule independently.
The arguments would always be, well, because of these facts, this law should apply. Partisanship just wasn't an issue.
Montanans for Nonpartisan Courts submitted 2 versions of its proposed amendment. CI 132 says judicial elections must remain nonpartisan. The second version would also have required nonpartisan elections for any newly created courts. The Montana Supreme Court ruled Tuesday on a pair of lawsuits. A majority of justices sided with MNC, saying Attorney General Austin Knudson's office shouldn't have rewritten their proposed ballot statement for CI 132. But the court unanimously agreed with Knudson that the second version was invalid because it proposed 2 separate constitutional changes at once.
We introduced the 2 initiatives because we wanted maximum flexibility going through what we knew would be some legal hurdles. So we're just really happy to have the clear, simple ballot language that we submitted and a path forward.
There's also a second group trying to qualify a constitutional amendment guaranteeing nonpartisan judicial elections. Knudson's office rewrote the ballot statement for CI 131, just like for CI 132. The sponsors of that measure also went to the Supreme Court and are still awaiting a ruling. Initiative supporters will have until next June to get the thousands of signatures they'll need to qualify a measure for the 2026 ballot. In Helena, Jonathan Amberian, MTN News.